Are you tired of wrestling with bulky, corded carpet cleaners? Say hello to the future of cleaning with the BISSELL Little Green Cordless Multi-Purpose Portable Deep Cleaner. In this review, we'll explore why this innovative machine is a game-changer for busy households, how it combines the convenience of cordless cleaning with the power of a corded machine, and why it's a must-have for tackling tough stains and messes on the go. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Cordless Convenience, Unmatched Power. Let's start with what sets the Little Green Cordless apart. Its powerful 165 watts motor and 25 volts lithium-ion battery. With the freedom to clean without being tethered to a cord, you can tackle messes anywhere, from your living room carpet to your car interior. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional corded cleaners and hello to unmatched cleaning power in the palm of your hand. Customized cleaning modes. Not all messes are created equal, which is why the Little Green Cordless offers 2 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Turbo mode delivers optimal suction power for tough stains, with up to 20 minutes of runtime. Meanwhile, Eco mode operates more quietly and extends the runtime up to 35 minutes, perfect for everyday cleaning tasks. With customizable cleaning options, you can tackle any mess with ease. Versatile cleaning solutions. From pet stains to spills to everyday dirt and grime, the Little Green Cordless is up to the task. With its lightweight and compact design, it's easy to transport and store, so you can clean hard-to-reach spots with ease. Whether you're freshening up your upholstery, sprucing up your car interior, or revitalizing your patio furniture, this versatile machine has you covered. Say goodbye to stains for good. With BISSELL Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Formula, tough stains and odors are a thing of the past. This powerful formula not only removes existing stains, but also protects against future messes, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling fresh and clean. Say goodbye to temporary fixes and hello to instant and permanent stain removal. What's included? As if all these features weren't enough, the Little Green Cordless comes with everything you need to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. From the 4-inch tough stain tool to the Hydrant self-cleaning hose tool, you'll have everything you need to achieve professional quality results at home. Plus, with a 2-year limited warranty, you can purchase with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. Final verdict. In conclusion, the BISSELL Little Green Cordless Multi-Purpose Portable Deep Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve professional quality results on the go. With its powerful cordless suction, customizable cleaning modes, versatile cleaning solutions, and instant stain removal capabilities, it's a must-have for busy households everywhere. Say goodbye to messes and hello to clean, fresh surfaces with the Little Green Cordless. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.